I'm coming back to the school, and I have no reason to come or to continue to support the great work you are doing and your training, because you are very vital to the society. What you're doing here will make you global citizen, will make our country better, will make our country work. Thanking you for this great work of training this wonderful student. I did come here last time and said I'll continue to come to support in my own way, and that is why I called yesterday to continue that work, presenting you with an additional check of 10 million naira. The measure of development is health, education, and pulling people out of poverty. At the foundation of health is human capital, and you can't discuss that without discussing the nurses. This training is critical to the nation, it's critical to everything we do. And for me as a person, I want a healthy, educated Nigeria where young people, especially, are put out of poverty. We must have families be able to earn a living and live well.
Interesting. Would this be extended to other sectors?
I'm doing it everywhere. I have over 60 schools I'm supporting.